Special delivery. Oh yeah, y'all already know what this gonna be. My shipments for my exhaust. Just gonna sit right here and hopefully it's all of it. Oh, look at that. Dang. What's up, man? Appreciate it. It's heavy. I'm pretty sure it's heavy, right? What? It's heavy, right?
I can take it up.
Okay, appreciate it. What's going on, y'all, man? Rise and shine, rise and grind, man. It's the top of the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning. Tired as hell right now. But today is an exciting day, man, because my exhaust came yesterday, and today is the day that I'm going to get it installed. And mind you, this is my first time ever having a loud ass vehicle. I had the SS, but it had axle back, so I had the mufflers and I had the resonators. But on this one, we not having no mufflers or no resonators, so it's gonna be super loud. But I'm gonna give you a cold start so you can hear it now stock. I'm not even gonna start it yet. I'm finna wait until my dad come so he can hear the before, and then he gonna also hear the after. So when he come, I'm gonna start it up and we all gonna hear it together stock. But in the meantime, we about to get loaded up, about to get the exhaust in the truck so we can go straight there and be the first ones in line and have it done in a reasonable time, because I don't want it to be all day. Yep, there he go. He just arrived. So let me pull this car out and load the truck up so we can get up out of here. And we going, like I said, we gonna hear the exhaust together. Kind of late right now because they open up first thing at 7 o'clock in the morning. But luckily, it's not too far, so.
All right. They put this black down here?
You talking about the side skirt?
Yeah.
It's factory.
Yeah, factory, okay.
Yeah, it's factory. You ready to hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so it's a special moment, man. I got my dad with me again. My dad was with me when I picked up the vehicle, and then also now he's with me getting this exhaust installed. It's a special moment, man. I love my dad to death. You know, spend time together. We love cars. I got it from him, so I blame him for my addiction of cars and everything. So I got my dad driving the Zl1. You know, he deserves it. He always been talking about let him drive it, and he also want to take it to work to drive. Finally made it to the muffler shop, man, right here at JR Mufflers. Like I said, he did the SS before, and I trust his work. He gonna get it done. So go to the car, man. We got it washed yesterday.
I just want you to see. Yeah.
Pops look good driving it, man.
I think
He like a GT500. That's what we gonna take a look at today while they got the car till they finish.
You know, it's a kid's thing. I mean, Jeremy wants to take it.
These some nice looking tips right there. Real nice. And will look good too. Hey, Pop, what you think about them tips right there? One those look nice.
Which one?
You remember the ones I showed you? Those it right there in person.
Oh,
The blue, yeah, like that bluish look.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. Is this the key, ain't it?
Yeah. I like
That's
it.
not bad.
Yeah, them
It got
nice.
that burnt film look on it.
Mm-hmm.
Them straight black ones too, but them.
But that would be too much black with a diffuser at.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's the same place. Bell Plain Road. Bell Plain Road.
Challenger in there. So here go the tips right here, y'all. Chrome look. Yeah, they put a sucker in the packaging. But shout out to AWE.